What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. In this video, you guys have been asking a lot for it, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I have an update for you guys on the GreenMonstah. I have some in-process photos, some images, some of the stuff that's going on with it, and what they estimate that the current value is of the GreenMonstah. So basically, for you guys that haven't been around or haven't seen anything or wondered what happened, because that's the other comment I'm getting a lot of. What happened with it? What happened with it? The car was broken into, and it was vandalized, and it was damaged evidently pretty significantly. The interior was damaged. It was basically what destroyed the interior, at least according to my insurance company, was blood. The idiot that decided to punch through the window to get in to steal the stuff out of the car bled all over the passenger seat, into the carpet, so there was a little bit on the dashboard, and all over the headliner as they were grabbing stuff and pulling out. Now, I didn't see it, but I guess, they go in there with a, I think it's called a lumens light or a blood light, and they could see the blood, like, whatever, everywhere. So you'll see in the process photos, which I'll do a voiceover when we do that here in a minute, they literally gutted the entire car. So the entire interior of the GreenMonstah is brand new, all of it. The seats, the carpet, the headliner, the dashboard, the steering wheel, all of it. It's all brand new. Nothing has stayed. All the glass has been replaced. Like, the car is literally a rolling shell with a 6.4 liter, non-MDS motor and a manual transmission. That's what's left of it right now. They've gone ahead and done the body work to try to fill and fix the dents along the A-pillar as well as the roof along the top side. They've gone ahead and sanded and taken care of the trunk where it was defaced, and also some stuff on the front end that I didn't even see. But major shout out to them and for getting the vehicle done. But let's go ahead and look at some of the photos and let you guys see exactly how bad it looks. Alright, so this is what the vehicle looked like before they really started tearing into it. They had taken off the McVandingo across the top to really assess the damage. And you can see, like, even where the light hits it, where some of the dings are, and you'll see more of it up here on the A-pillar, where you can see the dents. Now, usually, what I've seen you total the whole car out for that. And to be honest, the body shop, was like, why are you having this car fixed? It's got so much damage. All of the buttons and stuff replaced. Also in the interior, I guess if you get glass into that, it's non-repairable. This is what I've heard. Here's some of that blood damage, and they use like a chemical to bring out the blood stains, and you can see it all down the side panel of the door here, and you can see it down a little bit further. It's pretty much all over the interior. And this is where they started doing some of the work. Some of the areas where you saw some of the dents on the A-pillar, you can see that they've sanded that down to the metal, filled it, bondoed it, whatever material they were using, and then primered it, and it's pretty much ready for paint. Now, one of the things I am excited about is they didn't really have to tear up my roof, so that's awesome. And you'll get over to the next part here, but you can see I did lose my numbers on the side of the car and pretty much everything else. Like, all of the stencils or stickers for the windows are gone because it's all new glass. Evidently they broke the back window, or the back window was broken when they were taking it out of the car. So yeah, But you can see all the different areas where they've basically sanded this thing down. You can see the trunk where it was defaced, where they've sanded that, grinded that all the way out, getting this thing ready for paint. And I'm guessing this photo is earlier in the process because the back window isn't out yet in this one. Oh man. And we'll get to the next one, which is here, which you can see some more of where the dents and stuff were in the window frames in the rear and up top. And you can see they've grinded and done their whole thing here across this whole top piece. Now normally one of the options was for them to reskin the whole side of the car, but if you didn't know, it's almost impossible to get parts for cars right now. Dodge said it was going to be like 3 months, 3.5 months to get those pieces. So they're working with what they got here. They'll see what if the final product to me will be passable, doing it the way that it's being done presently. But you can see all of the different things that have been taken out. Now the thing that is the most surprising to me is this photo right here, where you can see basically the entire friggin' yeah, the whole interior is gone. It's just not there. It's gone. It's like, see ya. There's no interior anywhere in the car. It's all gone. And that to me was kind of crazy. Like seeing that the whole thing was just gutted was nuts. And this is where you can see they actually marked off some of the stuff before they got started, of all the actual physical dents, creases, things in the body that had to be replaced. Yeah, just ridiculous. And you can see all the little dents. And like, it's funny what they find under those lights, when they were really inspecting, because there was stuff that I didn't even see, that didn't even get my attention, And like they were saying the same thing. It has to be like this spot up here. Like why is that up there? There's nothing that would a bar or something would have did that. So yeah. You can see all these marks here. You can see the headliner. They took the headliner out. And you can see some of the wiring harnesses and stuff right here as well, from everything that runs in through the front all the way to the rear. The rust spot, you see the rust spots there on the side of the frame? That was side of the body. That was a little concerning to me. And basically, that's it right there. With them, basically sanding down the whole other side of the car. It just looked crazy to see the car like that, all primered and ready to go. And it just, while it breaks my heart to see it like that, I'm glad that it's actually being done the right way. All right, guys, so there is your update on the GreenMonstah. I hate to say if you like this video, because I know a lot of people aren't going to like the fact that the car is in the shape that it's in and what it's going through. And I appreciate all the well wishes and all the support and stuff and the time that I've been dealing with it. I have something to keep me occupied at the moment. The 2004 Pontiac GTO. I've been having an absolute blast with that car. And there's just lots and lots and lots of content coming up on that one as well. And yeah. Let me know what you guys think about the process, and if it's normal. I'm looking at probably another 3 to 4 weeks before I get the car back. Let me know if that's something that's normal process, because I believe they told me at first it was going to be like 3 weeks, something like that, to get the car back, and I'm well beyond that. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, the car is going to come back harder than ever. There's some specific areas of the car I couldn't show you, because I don't want to give away what's going to happen to the car. So, yeah, stay tuned. Anyways, smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.